Hello everyone. Today we will focus on the competency achieved and the performance indicator, that is CA and PI, along with the example used for the framing the question paper. Myself, Miss Nehal Sakurkar, working as an assistant professor. This presentation make under the guidance of Dr. Amit Gangwal sir. I am working in a Swery College of Pharmacy, which is already NBA accredited. Then we will focus on the terminology used for the preparation of the presentation. That's PO. PO, it is nothing but the program outcomes which is provided by the NBA. Then CO, course outcomes. These are provided under my previous presentation. CA, it is a competency achieved. Means it is the terminology used when after the completion of our course the PO which is achieved by that student. And the measurement of the competency achieved, we are using the various tools, that is nothing but the performance indicator. Then turning toward our one by one, we will see the one of the PO. Then one by one we will focus on the each and every PO. Here the PO1, that is a pharmacy knowledge. This is sentence provided by the NBA. What is the competency achieved after the getting the or studying the PO first? That is, the student will got the ability to possess the basic and core pharmacy knowledge. How that we will check by giving the various operations in pharmaceutical industries and apply the fundamental theory and the practical skill by that student. Example, all the theory and practicals which are performed under the pharmacy will make the complete competency of that particular PO. Then what are the questions from that question paper or from which will map the PO first? Enlist the various pharmaceutical dosage form. Here we got the knowledge about the particular pharmaceutical process. Then various inorganic compound. Here also we got the knowledge about the pharmacy knowledge. Then various history of the pharmacology, where we got the idea about the pharmacology subject. Same onward. Then our next PO, that is a planning ability. Then how we will measure the competency of that particular PO? The student should get the ability for the planning the particular thing. What are the various PI are applicable for that CA? Is the development of the ability to manage the various tasks which is assigned or projects. Then next is apply various techniques to plan the solution or various field related issue. Then what are the example? Means how we will say that the student will attend that particular PO. Then the student check whether that student will do all the practicals within a time hour, or with check particular student is having the any ability to say about the defect in the tablet manufacturing, animal experimentation, and ability of that student to solve that particular problem within the time. Then which are the various questions asked in their question paper will check the planning ability of that student is what are the various steps involved in the preparation of the tablet. Means here after the completion of this question, the student will got various steps came one by one in a performance of the pharmaceutical experimentation, and the student will develop the planning after which step the next step is there, hands on the next questions. Then our next PO, that is the problem analysis. What is the competency for that? It will demonstrate the ability to understand the problem of that particular student. Then what are the various PIs? The identify the problem statement and address with the available resources. Then apply the information systematically to make the defense design to solve that problem and formulate a solution or plan the methodology which will able to solve that pharmacy problem with an analytical result. Then what are the various example? the various dosage form, evaluation techniques, then analysis of the impurities in particular pharmaceutical dosage form. This will give the check the ability of the student to solve the problem, and hence after the getting this all the idea, we will say that the student will attend the PO third. Then what are the various questions from the question paper which says about the problem analysis? Write the official and non-official test involved in the capsule evaluation. Then next is how the impurities are detected and quantified from the pharmaceutical products. Means here the student will got the problem in a pharmaceutical product and the solution to detect by the detecting the impurities and so on. Then our next PO, which is modern tool usage. Then what are the competency? Demonstrate the ability to differentiate modern tool usage in a various classical manner. Then what are the PI to check whether that student is having the idea about the modern tool is that identify and implement the modern pharmacy tools like a computer-aided drug design. Then identify the strength and limited simulated pharmacology practicals, and also the discuss, identify and implement the modern tools used to solve the pharmaceutical problems. Then what are the example? Study the combinatorial chemistry, use of the various pharmacology software like X pharmacology, PCB-DISO and computer-aided drug design. Then these are the various few questions which will be available in a question paper which explain whether the student will know about the modern tool usage. Hence, we will able to say that the student will attend the PO of modern tool. Example, compare the dissolution test obtained after the manual calculation and the result obtained after the PCB-DISO software. Here, the student will got the idea about the manual calculation. Also, the application of this software means this is a modern tool. The student will got the comparative data. Hands on. Then next PO, which will be says about the leadership skill. Then what are the various competency? Demonstrate an ability of a leader by example and ability to be a good team leader. Then what are the PI for that? Demonstrate an ability to understand the society and societal needs in a large. Then by considering various example, we should came to know that whether that student is having the leadership skill or not, or whether that student will attend the CO of PO of the leadership or not. The example is role and responsibility of the pharmacist at various capacities in an industry, societal hospital and the government organization. Then various questions from the question paper which will explain whether that student is having the leadership skill or not. Study various infectious diseases and educate the society about that diseases and so on. Then turning toward the next PO is the professional identity. It is a PO number 6. What is the competency? Reflect the professional knowledge and competence whether there is a need of this society in a proactive manner for a better and a healthy society. What are the various PI? We will check whether that student is having the professional identity or not. Identify the role of the pharmacist in a society. Apply pharmacy knowledge to fulfill the needs of the society and demonstrate the various techniques used for the betterment of the society. Then what are the example? Study of the community pharmacist. Patient counseling in a subject of pharmacy practice. Then what are the questions came in a exam which will say about the whether the student will came to know about the professional identity tool. These are the various questions which says about the pharmaceutical ethics are explained. We will say about the professional identity, how the pharmaceutical legislation helps in a development of the marketing of the pharmaceuticals. Then explain the Drug and Cosmetics Act. Then detail about the ethical committee and its role. These are tales about the various professional identity of that particular student. Then turning toward the next PO, that is pharmaceutical. Next PO which will explain the pharmaceutical ethics. Then we will, which are the competency will say about the pharmaceutical ethics is demonstrate an ability to recognize the ethical dilemmas and demonstrate an ability to apply the code of the ethics to give the ultimate respect to the oath of the pharmacist. Then what are the various performance indicator? By bearing that performance indicator, we will say whether that student is having the detailed idea of the pharmaceutical ethics, and ultimately we are able to say that whether that PO is attained or not. Demonstrate the various ethical dilemmas, understand various ethical principles, and demonstrate an ability to apply the code of the ethics. Which are the various example? Most of the topic from the pharmaceutical jurisprudence is used for the understand the pharmaceutical ethics. Then which are the various questions from the question paper which will say about the pharmaceutical ethics? Example, the ethical principles while performing the animal experiment. Next, write a code of the ethics during the pharmaceutical practice. Then explain do's and don'ts in a community pharmacy. This also tells the pharmaceutical ethics. Then our next PO is focused on the communication. Which are the various competency provided for that particular student to measure that he will having the attainment for the PO communication or not. Demonstrate an ability to comprehend the communicate general or the technical literature documents. What are the various PI? Demonstrate at the ability to comprehend the technical literature and the project work. Demonstrate in a competence in a listening and speaking, delivering, convincing the talk to various audience, and demonstrate an ability to integrate the different modes of the communication. Example, perform the various practicals, delivering the scientific and the general presentation, etc. Then which are the various question? We will from the question paper we will say about the communication PO, that explain the qualities of the hospital pharmacist which will help for the effective counseling, and so on. Then the turning toward the next PO, that is the PO number 9 about the pharmacist and the society. Here the competencies reflect the superb pharmacy practice knowledge by the logical and aptitude abilities whenever it is needed. Then what are the various PI? To reflect the our pharmacy practices knowledge by the logical and the aptitude abilities whenever it is needed, and the ability to reflect the proactive approach for the healthy and the sound society. And next it is a demonstrate to ability to describe the pharmacist in role of the border constant. Example, the study of the various adverse drug reaction, drug interaction will help for the pharmacist and the society. Means ultimately it will help to attain the PO number 9. Then what are the various questions from the question paper which will help for the attainment of the PO number 9 is explain the role of the pharmacist in a societal development. What are the various responsibilities and the function of the hospital pharmacist, and so on. Then turning toward our next PO is PO number 10, that is the environment and the sustainability, where the competencies demonstrate an understanding of the impact of the pharmacist and industrial practice on the society. What are the various PI? Understand the relationship between the technical and the societal economical dimensions. Then understand the relationship between the technical and socio-economical and the environmental dimensions, and apply the principle prevention of the pharmacy and sustained development of the pharmacy. Then example, study of the product recycling, study of the synthetic polymers and their alternative approach. Then which are the various questions from the question paper which helps to attain that particular PO? Write about the biodegradable polymer. What are the various you dispose the hospital waste. Then write a note on various methods of the family planning, and so on. Then turning toward our next PO, that is nothing but the last PO, that is the PO of lifelong learning. As such, what is a competency? Demonstrate an ability to identify the gap in a knowledge and plan a strategy to address those gaps in a lacuna. Then further to reflect the capacity to learn in a instant manner. Then what is a PI? Describe the various strategy which will help for the continuous development of the pharmacy profession. Recognize the needs to identify the changing trends in the pharmacy knowledge, and demonstrate an ability to identify and assess the source in new information. What are the various example? All the pharmacy acts, various drug regulatory affairs guidelines, and various example. Almost all of the pharmacy contents should helps in a lifelong learnings. Hence, all the COs from that particular course of the pharmacy will attain this PO with a highest grade. Then I hope this presentation will helpful to map you CO with a PO with a PI and with a CA. Thank you. It will help